Hi everybody, my name is Matt with Execify, and this short video is going to be covering how to configure tags for your organization. Go into settings on the left sidebar, and then you'll see the settings sidebar show up. Simply click on tags, and you'll see the tags that are set up for your organization. If you want to make a new tag, you can simply add a tag. Let's come up with the example of Project 99. We'll call this Project 99 for sales team. And this is the sales team project to get 99 new customers by tomorrow! Exclamation point. We can give that a color. What's important to note is if you want to use your brand colors, click down here. You can use hex codes, or you simply go through the color picker, pick a color that you like, and apply it to the tag. So that one looks nice. And now we have Project 99. If you want to delete tags, edit tags, or weight tags, so they'll show up in specific order based on the priority weighting, throughout the application, you can change priority as well. And that's all there is to it. Check our other videos to learn more about how to use tags